What is going on, YouTube? So we're back, finally, another video. And as you can see, finally all the parts came in. That's what I've been waiting for. Sorry guys, I know I told you guys I was gonna upload sooner, but it was just parts, man. Sometimes they take a minute, so I was just waiting to the right time. And today's the right time to get this done. So pretty much today we're gonna be unboxing everything and laying everything out somewhere, and then we're gonna get started on part one of the transformation on my girl's Mercedes. And let's start with the small one here first. I actually need to get scissors. Okay. So right here we have some corner lights. I hope you guys could see this. We have some corner lights that we're gonna be pretty much installing. I believe they come with LEDs also, so should be nice. Right now the ones that are in the car, they're orange, and one of them is kind of messed up, so that's one package. Let's continue going. Next package. Like I said, hopefully you guys can see all this. So oh wow, we got a whole center console for her, because the one that's in her car, hold on, you guys can't really see this. Okay, so we got a whole center console because the one that's in her car, it broke. This piece broke and it's pretty much all worn out. So I decided to get her a new one. Well, it's not new, it's new to us. So this is gonna be something fun to do. Never done this before. So let's see how that goes. Awesome, awesome. Okay. Next thing is gonna be this big piece. Let's see, move this out the way. Okay. God damn it. I dropped my phone. Okay. Get this out the way. So let me just show you guys real quick. Okay, so let me just hold this, take it out, plastic, and then take up. But I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a grill, double grill. Got a grill. Let me take it out so you guys can see better. So we went with a glossy grill. Pretty nice, pretty nice. You know. What else did it came with? And then we got a Mercedes And this lights up, so this is gonna be fun to install. That lights up. Just gonna drop the mesh there. Is that it? Yep, that's it. So the grill, the lights that you see here, these are all eBay. That's also eBay, the center console that I got. You know, now these products here, as you guys could see, they're from Rock Auto. No, I'm not sponsored by Rock Auto. Most of the stuff that I always get is from Rock Auto. So if you guys do want to get parts, I recommend Rock Auto, since they have good deals, good prices. You know, they also do sometimes do sell like almost factory parts. So we're about to open these two. They're about the same thing. These two I know is the same part. It just, they came in a big box. So let's try to open this here for you guys. Okay. Whoa, this came with a lot of stuff on this one. So, like I said, so right here, and you guys can see it, let me take you guys here. So right here we have the sensor that I was missing for the radiator. Got one. So that's gonna be a separate video for itself. It's gonna be one part. Let's see what else came in here. Like I said, all these are from Rock Auto. Part number, everything. As you guys can see, it has the right side. Let's check what it is. And on this side, we have, it's whoa, ooh, nice packaging. As you guys can see. Woo! Whoa, you guys can't see that. Woo! Look at that. Brand new fog light. So, what else? A bunch of this stuff. I guess it's just this big package next to take off. Same thing. Let me put you guys here. Let me put this over here before I break it. Okay. So, same thing. Depot auto lamp. So, kind of get an idea of what it could be. I'm gonna open this, and you guys could already see what it is. Whoa. So, let me try to take these out. Okay. So, woo. Look at that, guys. Brand new headlights. You know? Super brand new headlights. So super nice. The only reason why I did get new headlights, because these on her old one pretty much got rusted out and they broke from inside. So there was no way of fixing those. So she always gets the warning light every time we turn on the car when it's nighttime about those lights. So I just ended up getting ready to replace them. And these should hold LEDs on them. I'm hoping everything works out. So, opening this, get me. So now I got this big ass piece. Let's see what else. I hate these things. So get all this out the way. Put them by the lights. Just a mess. Whoa. So right here, I don't know what we got. So whoa. So right here, we got new fog light bezels. Super nice for the fog lights. Left and right. There you go. And then right here, we got the lower grill for the bumper. So, like I said, sometimes they have, what's it called, OEM parts or replica to OEM. So it's super nice to sometimes get the factory parts for a good price instead of going to Mercedes and paying an arm and leg, you know? So now we got this big boy. Go right here. As you guys can see, we have a bumper. Oh, come on. Okay, guys. Whoa. So we got a whole new bumper, guys. Brand new bumper. We still need to get it painted, but we are going on a trip, so that's where the car's gonna get dropped off, get painted while we're out of town, and it's gonna be all complete. So you guys stay tuned for the complete things. So all right, guys, so that I just ended the clip right there. I'm sorry for the unboxing because I was planning to do the headlights installation with that video, but that video is already 60 minutes, and then the installation took me probably, that video's a separate, and that's a 30-minute, like almost a 30-minute video. So in total, it was gonna be too long to do the two installs, and I didn't think of that. So this is just the ending of just the unboxing. Like I said, everything came out good. The only thing that I am going to be returning back is the fog light bezels and the fog lights, because this bumper, as you guys can see, already a sneak peek. The lower grill's already installed. Super good. Came out nice. But the bezels do fit and the fog lights do fit, but this bumper, it's not meant for that type of style fog lights. It's for a different style, because as you guys can see in this one, since it's broken but still works, behind here there's like a brace where, and hose, as you can see, where screws fit in for this type of bezel. And this one doesn't have that. So it's weird because this is the kind of the same bumper as hers. You see, it just has this square. This one doesn't. I mean, this one does have the same thing here, no sensors on top, but for some reason it's not the same. At least the fog lights, it's not the same fog light style. So the good thing is that she's gonna get an updated fog light setup. So it's pretty cool. Instead of like circle fog lights, it's gonna be like a side type style fog lights. I'll put a picture up how it's gonna be. So I need to order those. I'm trying to get them from Rock Auto, but I can't find the year or model that has that style, because they do just sell the pretty much the fog light, but they don't sell the bells though for it. So if I can't find it, I'm just gonna get an eBay one. And yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. Sorry I didn't close out that video properly, but after this unboxing, the next video that's gonna get uploaded is the headlights. So stay tuned for that clip after this. And then we're just gonna be assembling this bumper that you guys saw. Until I get everything done, that's when it's gonna get put on the car. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace. I'm out.